How to turn off automatic volume control on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. Then, go to Headphone Accommodations. On this page, you can customize the audio for supported Apple and Beats headphones by adjusting the settings below or through Custom Audio Setup. Here, turn off the Headphone Accommodations feature at the top. Now, go back to the Settings page and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the Headphones section at the end and tap on Headphone Safety. Here, turn off the Reduce Loud Audio feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off automatic volume control on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.